General Dynamics lands a massive Navy submarine order worth billions. The week's signals. No hot takes, no spin. These are the filings, contracts, and approvals as the companies reported them, pulled from the source and mapped to the layer they actually hit. General Dynamics Electric Boat won $71.6 billion in Navy contracts. The deal covers 5 additional Columbia-class submarines and 9 Virginia-class submarines. It was announced July 29, 2026, as part of a broader $76.6 billion Navy award. The $71.6 billion deal splits into 2 parts. $29.5 billion covers the Columbia-class submarines. $42.1 billion covers the 9 Virginia-class submarines. On the tape, General Dynamics is down 0.9% over the past week. It is up 5.7% over the past month and up 0.3% on the day. Rigetti will supply a 9-qubit Novera quantum system to the Pittsburgh Supercomputing Center. The project is funded by the National Science Foundation through a collaboration with HPE. Axe Compute signed a $1.5 billion deal for AI infrastructure. The 5-year contract uses more than 9,200 NVIDIA Blackwell B300 chips. L2 Aviation was selected for a United States Air Force maintenance contract. The work covers depot-level repair on Boeing's KC-46A Pegasus tanker fleet. Skyworks is moving ahead with its merger with Qorvo. The company plans to raise about $2 billion in acquisition debt and will discontinue its quarterly dividend. AT&T has closed its purchase of wireless spectrum from EchoStar. The deal adds about 50 MHz of low and mid-band spectrum across its footprint. Energy Fuels' acquisition of Australian Strategic Materials is moving forward. The deal includes a conditional $725 million United States government financing commitment and a plan to acquire all of VASC. AT&T has closed its purchase of wireless spectrum licenses from EchoStar. The deal was first announced earlier and completed this week, according to the companies. Johnson & Johnson has completed its acquisition of Firefly Bio to expand its oncology pipeline. The deal folds Firefly Bio's assets into Johnson & Johnson's oncology portfolio. Mastech said it closed its acquisition of the Superior Group in the second quarter of 2026. The company disclosed no financial terms for the deal. The deal closed the same day Mastech posted record quarterly revenue of $4.4 billion. That is a 23% jump from a year earlier, yet the shares fell 33% over the past month. Leidos and CoreWeave will collaborate to deliver AI capabilities for US defense and intelligence missions. The work targets the intelligence community, defense and national security customers. The news follows an Air Force task order worth up to $717 million on the 29th of July. Leidos also declared a 43-cent quarterly dividend on the 31st of July. SEALSQ said it has entered the commercial phase of quantum photonics technology from Mirai-X SA. The Swiss firm was fully acquired by SEALSQ in June of 2026. The commercial launch follows a common criteria certification for SEALSQ's quantum-safe chips on the 29th of July. 2 quantum security milestones landed within 3 days of each other. This week the map logged more than 100 live signals. These were the ones that mattered. Every one of these is mapped to the company and the layer it actually hits. Follow stack maps, the daily bulletin, the pulse, and the weekend recaps. That is the weekend signals. See you next week.